Libras, hello, welcome back to my channel. And in case if you're new over here, hello, my name is Tarusha Saxena and I welcome you to my beautiful world of tarot. On this channel, Libra, you are going to find weekly and monthly zodiac readings. You're also going to find some very interesting fun pick a card readings about love, relationship, marriage, career, life, and so much more. So Libras, if these topics interest you, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon below to receive notifications about all my upcoming videos. Alright, Libras. So some disclaimers that this is an absolutely general Libra reading, and because this is a general Libra reading, it may not resonate with some of you. So if it does not resonate with you, then please go ahead and check out my other zodiac readings as per your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs on this channel. Alright, and do remember that timing is fluid. So you will come across this reading only when you're meant to watch it, irrespective of date, month, time and year. This will be applicable for you for your upcoming month. All right, so Libras, let's see what's in store for you, Libras. Okay, we have the two cards who fell down for you, Libras. Libras, whoa. Okay, Libras, very interesting reading for you, Libras. Very interesting reading for you, Libras. Okay, so Libras, this whole month to me looks like it's a lot about money, honey. It's a lot about money. Money. Yes, it's all about money and new beginnings, my dear friends. Yes. I also see that this month is going to be a very enriching month wherein you are going to learn, you will be learning some things about life, about people, situations, things, etc. Okay, very enriching month. So let's get started and let's see what's up for you. So Libras, I see that the beginning of the month is going to be starting for you with something that you love doing, because you have the Queen of Cups energy. So if you have been doing a work, or if you're into some kind of work which you're very passionate about or you love doing, it is going to be rewarding for you. Okay, this work is going to be rewarding for you because money comes into, the cards for money comes in two aspects. One, that either you're struggling with money, or if you have to get like financial stability. For you in this particular month, I see that this particular month is going to be financially very fulfilling for you. If you have any kind of plans with respect to your money, all right, if you have planned anything with regard to your money, the plans are going to work, and you like immediately kind of put those things into action. So you think something and then you immediately put it into action. That is how fast you are going right now. And I think that whatever you're doing, whichever way you're doing it in the right way. So whatever you are doing, continue doing it in the right manner. There will be some kind of disappointments for you. It could be like, somebody, like, take this card quite literally, like somebody stabbing in your heart right there, like somebody stabbing you right here. All right. Okay, but people, nobody's going to take a literal knife and stab you in your heart. That's not going to happen. But what this card represents is that you might be having some expectations from some people, and those expectations will, it's not about that those expectations will not be met, but those people are kind of going to hurt you. All right, yeah, those people are kind of going to hurt you. But the card is telling you that, not the card, but the overall, the spread is telling you that and I always, like, right from the beginning, I always say this in my readings to everybody, that life is all about balancing. So if somebody has hurt you and really hurt you bad, learn your lesson from it and move on. Forgive and forget. Learn your lessons and move on. Don't cling on to that negative feeling, because you have a lot to do. Because what I see for you coming up in this month is lot of fame. I see fame coming to you in this particular month. I see financial stability coming to you in this particular month. When I say financial stability, does not mean a permanent financial stability. In some cases it could be a permanent financial stability, but in a lot of cases it could be like, momentarily some kind of financial gain or financial stability that you have been, that can give you a foundation to stand on. All right, so for a lot of you, this is going to bring you opportunities. The mid of coming week, mid of coming month is going to bring you a lot of opportunities in terms of finding financial stability. All right, and also remember that because this work is something about what you love and feel passionately about, it is going to bring you great amount of fame. It is going to bring you great amount of financial gain and stability towards the end of the coming month. Okay, you will be walking towards victory quite fast. You will be pacing towards victory. When I say victory, need not be that you're involved with somebody and then you are going to win, but the point is that whatever you have been working on, you're going to march towards the success of that plan. Like it is going to take you to some point towards the end of the coming month. All right, and okay, whatever you will be doing, you will know. So you will put in a lot of hard work, because this Three of Pentacles also represents hard work, not just fame. And you are also going to be doing a lot of hard work in this context, and you will then wait for the rewards to come back to you. Okay, so though this month you've already got a lot of rewards in terms of financial stability, etc., fame, etc., but there is so much more that you're expecting out of this. I cannot define it in this reading what you are expecting out of it, but there is more, because most likely this particular thing is related also to your higher purpose. All right, it is related to your higher purpose. I also see that towards the end of the coming month, you also have some kind of new beginnings in your life. So it could be new beginnings in terms of a new perception. Most likely than not, I feel that this is a new beginning in your life in terms of career. I see that this could be a new beginning in your life in terms of like a overall life direction might take a new turn or a new beginning. Okay, it could be it could be related to anything. It could be a career related new beginning. It could be financially, because financially it's going to be a fulfilling month. So maybe this might just bring you some kind of new beginnings, because you are going to gain some financial stability after quite some time. So this might help you to take some new direction into your life. And if you have been juggling between multiple things, it's time for you to kind of that juggle is going to come to an end. All right, you might feel a little exhausted juggling between so many things towards the end of the month, but you don't have to worry about it. I'm also getting a feeling that you've got the Devil card as the overall energy for you. All right, now this Devil card as an overall energy for you in this entire reading, and this Devil card has come right next to the Three of Swords. Okay, so this could mean that as I said, that somebody who somebody might hurt you very bad. So it could be that this hurt that this person is causing you might try to hamper your growth or your plans. All right, it might try to break you down. If you're expecting some kind of support from somebody, you may not get it. Okay, and that might just kind of bring your energies down, but don't let that happen. Continue focusing on things that you want to do. And this Devil card also means that other people might not just, it's not just other people who might have devil intentions. I'm not saying exactly devil intentions, but it's just that there could be some logical reason why they're not why they had to hurt you. There could be a logical reason to it. Okay, because for everybody their reason is justified, right? Unless you're literally not harming somebody, it's okay. So in this context also, I feel that they do not have intentions to harm you. They have some logical reason why you were hurt. Okay, and it's okay sometimes. Forgive and forget and move on. And sometimes I'm saying that you also have to play the devil in order to safeguard yourself. You have to play the devil, all right, in order to meet your higher purpose, which you are meant to, because you will be meeting your higher purpose. You also need to play the devil. And when I say play the devil, it means that if you're doing something, you need to say that, listen, I'm doing something right now and we can do this later. Can we discuss this later? Okay, and convey it properly. So others might take it that you are acting devilish or you're acting too mean, but that's about it. It's just a simple thing that you're asking. And as I said, that this month is going to give you fame. Okay, this month is going to give you fame. You have the card that this month is going to give you fame and name, and then money of course is there in your cards. Now let's see, Libras, that what guidance your ancestors and angels want to give you. Let's see what guidance do they want to give you, Libras. What guidance do your angels and ancestors want to give you, Libras? Okay, 3 messages for Libras. All right, Libras. So your first message is from the Earth Guardian, and it says stay rooted and grounded. You need to stay rooted and grounded, Libra. You need to stay rooted and grounded. The next message coming up for you is enjoy growth and reap benefits. Enjoy growth and reap benefits. Because you, my dear friend, have new beginnings in your life. All right, so don't let this energy bog you down. All right, the last message for you, Libra, is bask in joy and light. 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 I don't know if it's clearly visible. So this was your reading, a very, very beautiful reading for you, Libras. And do remember, Libras, that this reading is an absolutely general reading, and it is a timeless reading. So you will come across this reading only when you meant to watch it, irrespective of date, month, time and year. It will be applicable for you for that upcoming month, Libras. So do remember that this reading is a very fulfilling reading. This month, not the reading. This particular month is going to be a very fulfilling month, a very rewarding month in terms of financial stability and in terms of fame. Don't lose your confidence, don't lose your faith in small disappointments. All right, sometimes hurt, we are hurt because there are some lessons for us to learn. So learn your lessons and move on, forgive and forget. Just remember that. All right, all the best, my dear Libras. I will see you guys very, very soon in my next video, which will be weekly video for upcoming month. Until then, take very, very good care of yourselves. Stay home and stay safe. Bye, Libras.